Hey guys, we found this baby bird out on the side of our yard. Looks like he's sleeping right now because he's sort of moving, but Friday night. Stop talking about my YouTube channel.
No, but Peyton has an Instagram, just in case you want to be friends with him on Instagram.
Hey,
I have an Instagram too.
hey, stop trying to eat his
Hairpug,
food.
his name is Hairpug 147.
We haven't named him yet
I'm like,
because
why
it's the first night.
147? He's like, why not?
We're hoping he survives.
Luca is anonymous
Yeah.
DJ
876.
876.
I love it.
So, Peytonius Lord is over here sitting on the couch.
Look at this.
Admit it, guys, we've all done this. Every single bite. Yes, all day, every day. Yes, Lord. Yes.
Oh, look at this. This is the one his dog is biting him.
Emma, stop barking.
Hey, Jesus! No troopers. Jesus! Jesus!
Emma! Emma! Come here. Come here.
This is the day we, yeah.
Buncho balloon. Emma. Doge. Peyton, you need to post the baby bird on Instagram. Say hashtag we got this.
Hashtag baby birds. Hashtag baby birds.
Emma. Sit. Good girl. Good girl, Emma Doge.
I think that this I love. Creativity is amazing when you.
No, 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 no,
Did you know
no,
that
no.
Nathan wrote a paper about that? When you guys built something? He wrote his free choice was about when you guys built a base and something else.
In what? One.
I know, I think I made it a little too warm. But actually, if we could put
So-
another blanket underneath.
YouTube channel. Oh, Emma, no. No. Drop Peyton's cleat. Drop it. I forgot to warn you. Here, I'll take it. Hey. Hey. No. 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 Look at her. Hey, no talking back. No, hey, don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. Don't you dare.
He's not opening his mouth.
Like maybe that helped a little.
Good night, dude.
Share.
Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. This is me tonight.
Jesus!
Today was field day. I'm sitting in my living room.
Can you imagine?
So,
Are those your cleats?
yep, those are Peyton's.
Those were Peyton's cleats that you gave us.
No, these white ones.
Yeah.
The white ones here.
Oh, no, the white. Oh, are they out?
They're up on top of your thing here.
Yeah, I put them there, so I'm not letting them.
You can't get them. They're Peyton's.
So, the good thing oh, Peyton's sleeping over tonight.
Home because
Um,
Emma can totally be.
so, oh yeah, look what she did to my shoe. You
I know.
miss
Are
did
you alright,
this.
Jason?
How is that possible?
Yeah. So, sorry. This shoe bin.
Lacrosse. Yay.
So I put that's JoJo's car seat when I picked her up.
Lacrosse.
Beach towels on it to hold it down because
So, let's go upstairs, baby. Well, no. Kong you. I just Konged him. Okay. See you, people. Goodbye. I'm checking out. See you all later. Goodbye.